So two people at the North Pole, which is now known as Rhode Island, walk away from each other in opposite directions. One at 2 radians per year, and the other at 3 radians per year as measured from the Earth's center. So it's along a great circle. How long will it take before they're exactly 1 radian apart as measured by a straight line through the Earth? Is it pi over 5 years, pi over 15 years, 3 pi over 10 years, or 2 pi over 5 years? So we'll see what the correct answer is. Turned out to be B. C is pretty popular. Pi over 15, who got that right? Someone did. Amanda, very good. All right, so Amanda, how'd you get that?
It was mostly guessing, but I'm just being honest. Set up a few equations to maybe model and just kind of looked at it. Maybe some part of my brain solved it, but I kind of missed.
So you're not in contact with that part of your brain right now? Oh, so you kind of, so it's a good guess. So it is kind of a tough one, but the nice thing is that when we want to know when they're 1 radian apart, like if you imagine the Earth, if we had a picture of it, you'd imagine it much better. And then when they're 1 radian apart, on the straight line distance, you also have the radii coming from the 2 endpoints and the center. And so that forms an equilateral triangle. And so now, then you know it's 60 degrees in between, and so then if they can continue to walk at that pace and no polar bear chases them so they go faster or anything like that, then you can deduce how long it's been. So, or you can just be a really good guesser, like Amanda was, and that's very good. Pi over 15, so we'll see what the score is now. So Amanda now is in first place with 1,600 points, Catherine has 1,000 points, Katie has 1,000 points, Winston with 1,800. All right, and still 2 questions left, and 3 of you still have your health bill. All right, here we go. Question 7 for 700 points. Which of the following intervals contains the log of, and this is log base 10, that quantity, 2,050 squared minus 1,050 squared, and that's all inside the parentheses of the log's operator. Again, it's log base 10. Is it this interval here from negative infinity to 6, from 6 to 6.25, from 6.25 to 6.5, and from 6.5 on. And in each case, the bracket means it includes that endpoint, and then the parentheses means it doesn't include that endpoint. By clapping, how many in the audience think it's A? Right, very popular one. How many people think it's B? Right? How many people think it's C? How many people think it's D? So we wanted to wait till your hands had thawed out, so that's why we did the clapping thing. And nobody thinks it's E, I don't think. And so I think C seemed to be the most popular one. A couple people went for B or D, nobody liked A at all. And we'll see what the correct answer is. Did turn out to be C. A lot of fans of C, that's good. And who got it right? Peter got it right, he's happy about it. And Winston? Oh, it's a question of whether you got in right at the end there? We'll find out. You definitely got in, but then you changed right before the, or were you trying to change?
I tried to change, but I think I tried to change the wrong answer.
You tried to change the wrong answer. Well, yeah, the software prevents you from choosing the wrong answer. There's a new thing we built into it. It makes the game much more fun for everyone. And so, Peter, how did you get it? And we assume you did get it, yes, because you had your hand way up.
Well, I just calculated the number of digits that were going to be in the number. I knew it was going to be a 7-digit number, so I knew it would be between 6 and 7. And then from there I just kind of figured how close is... Well, I calculated it to the number itself to be like the log of 3.1 million. So then I didn't really know how to narrow it down from there, so I just kind of intuitively guessed that it would be around there, between 6.25 and 6.5.
Right, yeah, so you got this difference of 2 squares, so you can use that, if you remember when you're up on stage, the factoring to simplify it and get the 3.1 million that you talked about. And then if the kind of an important, or one way that you can estimate it is that, and we all know, the square root of 10 is a little bit bigger than 3.1. And so that's one way that can help you with the estimate. And then just a little bit bigger, so that's how you can know it's in that interval. But intuitively guessing, and then what you did sounds fine. And so we'll see how Winston did with getting in at the end there. It looks like you did get the right answer. Didn't change away from the right answer. So now we have an and Emily with 500. So very good.